Well, Andrew, there's an oddity here. Everybody's guiding up, whether it be industrials like a Dover or all the healthcare companies. Really remarkable numbers from J&J, Coca-Cola, fantastic. And yet the Dow futures aren't reflecting anything that positive, up 126. And there seems to be something very wrong with the NASDAQ. It's almost as if somebody knows something or that Netflix is going to start going down. So, Andrew, I mean, it's a very mixed picture, the futures versus the actuals. Because I'm struggling finding a company other than Netflix that has a single fly speck of something wrong on it. And so to me, I'm kind of pretty positive.
Talking about a fly speck, we were talking to Julie Borston earlier about the Netflix report last night. What's your feeling? Is there a sense that this is becoming a bit of a more mature company, harder to find growth?
Well, it was interesting to watch as the conference call went on. It was going down, down, down. And then they start talking about gaming like it's a magic elixir, more interactive. And I just say, okay, Uncle, I'm not in the Moffett-Nathanson camp. I know that David's going to interview Michael Nathanson. But my problem here is this. They did pull forward, okay? They did have some churn, although not that bad. But now you're back in this world where they've got to deliver really great stuff in this world where there's so many things to watch. Reed has always said, don't worry about it. He's always said, listen, everybody loves streaming, which is his final, Sarandos' final comment. Everybody loves streaming. I don't know. I mean, I love streaming, but I also don't see a reason why I got to run out and buy the stock. I don't have a reason to buy the stock, don't have a reason to sell the stock. Andrew, that's not good enough.
Does it change your perception of the other streamers, of the model at all? Because there is a sense that, there's sort of a finite group of people who are going to buy this stuff, or you think that's not the case?
Oh, I think it's a great question. I mean, there's a piece of research out this morning that says that Disney Plus didn't gain anybody. And you're starting to feel like, well, everybody who has it, everybody who wants it has it. Of course, they even talked about in Netflix how you have to have different prices for different people, including what it sounds like very low prices for people who can't afford exactly what you're supposed to have, the high price that you and I pay. Right. I don't think it's high price, obviously, versus going to the movies, which we didn't even mention Adam Aaron becoming chairman. How is it up there? Is it beautiful?
Gorgeous. Well, I mean, I'm now down here, but we were up in space, or at least at the top of the NASDAQ.
I thought it was fantastic. Gorgeous. I think you should try to do it as I've been loving the show this morning. Just loving it.
Jim, it was we should point out it was suborbital.
We were on the line.
Yeah, we were on the Cramer line. Yeah, we were.
I think it popped. I think it popped that you're outside. I'm going to recommend it to management.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.